Hello guys. Our Crypt project has come to its end. You might have seen that we participated in the restoration works of this grade 1 listed crypt. Our job was to get this space nice and dry using lime-based solutions and non-invasive remedies, and we installed the building monitoring system as well. And I know it's a bit of a paradox because it's a crypt and the crypt is supposed to be like wet and cold, but this space is nice and dry. This is day and night compared to how it has been. It's unbelievable.